Alright, so this is a setup video for my New Year's Eve fireworks show here. Go through how I have everything set up here. Start off here. Those three are 1Q. We got Q2, 3, 4, 5. Then we got 6, 7, 8, 9. Then over here we got 10. We got 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then that's all 1Q there. I'm gonna have two 1.5-inch 8-shot red-tail to salute Roman candles going off with that. And I'm gonna have some different, some of those Roman candles there. Those are awesome. Some of those, some fishy Roman candles, those are really good, and some lightsaber Roman candles mixed in with the boards there. And so after that, we have this rack right here. So it's each one of, these, all three go off at once. So the first three is 3 color shells, and then 2 color shells with a salute in the middle, and it goes like that, so on. We got 3 salutes there, and then 2 color, and salute. So that one goes, and we got this rack right here. It's pretty much the same thing. We have 3 color, and a color salute, same thing, and then 3 salutes in the back. And then we have this one right here, which runs down. Those are all color. Then we have a Lidu, then canister salutes, and a Lidu salute. That's a Lidu salute as well. And then after that, we have some huge, really good single shot 3-inchers. We got 5 of those. 2 colors, 5 salutes. 2 of the salutes have, well, no, not 5 salutes, 3 salutes, and 2 of those have 180 grams of flash powder in each. And then we also have 6 of those rockets, which are awesome, like really awesome to throw in there somewhere too. So that is the full setup there.